hello, welcome back. Murungai Keerai or drumstick leaves. This is a multivitamin, multi-mineral ingredient and a natural fat burner. This should be part of your diet at least once a week for a better health. Today we're gonna prepare a simple recipe using this drumstick leaf, popularly known as Murungai Keerai poriyal. I have taken one bundle of drumstick leaves, cleaned and washed. We will preheat a pan, add 5 to 6 teaspoons of edible oil, once the oil is warm, we will add 1 teaspoon of black gram. Once the black gram starts turning lighter brown in color, we will add 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of cumin. Now we will add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. (10 to 15 cloves of garlic finely chopped. We will fry this till the onion gets glossy. Once the onion gets glossy, we're gonna add 2 to 3 red chilies chopped, salt for taste. Now add the drumstick leaves. Add half a cup of water. Now once the water comes to a boil, we will close it with the lid and we will cook this in low flame for 6 to 7 minutes. Now that it's been cooking for 6 minutes, we're going to open the lid. We're going to check if the greens are cooked and if the water is drained. Now the greens are cooked and the water is drained. At this point of time, we will add half a teaspoon of ghee. This is gonna add an extra flavor to the poriyal. Turn off the stove and now we're gonna add grated coconut. Now I have taken almost like 2 to 3 pieces. That'll be approximately 1 or 2 teaspoons of grated coconut. Mix as well. Grated coconuts are of my choice. You can also add crushed roast groundnuts. That'll give you a different flavor altogether. Your Murungai Keerai poriyal is ready. Hope you loved my video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.